Hello, Bill McRae here. If I strum this guitar right now, it's quiet. I plug it into the amplifier back there, well, it would blow the speakers off my computer. When I talk about using tools to amplify your marketing results, that's essentially what I'm talking about. Is taking one piece of effort, playing that power chord there I was just playing, and then instead of having it just kind of go dum, have it go brah everywhere, you exponentially increase the capacity of your marketing to work for you if you amplify your results. Now I want to show you how I do that with YouTube. And it's a brand new YouTube channel and we're just building up the following. So the numbers aren't huge. The important thing to understand here is that you're like laying a brick at a time. You can't build the Empire State Building a brick at a time and in the first week say, look at my building. It's not going to be very big. But with time and consistent effort, you're going to find that you're going to be able to develop a very good following and a very substantial income from it. It's the same thing with YouTube. But what we're going to do to amplify our results is we're going to take it from YouTube into our own blog and then out to social media. I'm going to show you the software I use and talk a little bit about how to do that in the remainder of this video. I'm going to pause it for now and I'll be back in a second. Okay, what I'm going to show you is how I take those very same YouTube videos that I create to drive direct traffic from YouTube to various offers, and I amplify those results by using them in my personal blog. Now this is an individual blog set up on my personal website. If you just go to the website now, you're going to see essentially is my background. But I have this thing called blog right there. Boom, click on that and it takes you to the blog. And you can start to see these are all videos that I've made and posted on my blog. But the really cool thing is how I do this, because essentially the amount of effort it takes to run this blog is uploading the video to my YouTube channel, selecting a playlist, and that's it. Everything else is done automatically for me. Let me show you how. Log into my blog. And there's really two tools I use. One of them is called YouTube Content Poster, which is my personal software that will be available for sale at a very nominal price. The other one's called Blog to Social. Okay, so I'm going to go here to Settings and WP Channel Poster. Now the intent here is not to teach you how to use the software, it's just to let you know it's available. You got to go create your own API code and your YouTube channel ID and all that stuff. We will provide all that training. And it has two options. One, you can just post everything that comes into the channel, or you can like create posts not just from channels, but from playlists, which is what I do. I choose not to post from my channel, but from the individual playlist. I have a playlist on social media, a playlist on marketing, playlist on blogging, a playlist on home business reviews, ClickBank training, YouTube CV, solo ad business, and bulletproof email marketing. So I have all these separate playlists, and when I upload a YouTube video, I select which playlist to go to, and then it's going to grab, depending on where it goes. It's kind of random. It doesn't post everything immediately. It just picks one or two a day, depending on how many you upload, based on the category, and it posts it. And it posts it into that particular category. So if we go over here to post, what you're going to see is different categories. So here you can see stuff I post on social media marketing. Here in the solo ad business, this is bulletproof email marketing system. This is social media. This is marketing here, just general marketing. I don't do anything for these posts. Now, if you go view the actual post itself, you'll see what you get is it's going to post a video and it's going to post whatever content you post in your description, which in my case is just a little bit of content and a bunch of links. But all this stuff gets gobbled up by search engines. And then what we also do is we use a program called Blog to Social, which has a free version and a premium version. I'm just using the free version right now. Okay, and what this does is it allows you to syndicate your blog post to every single social network that you have available to yourself right now. And you can see all the different posting I've been doing. But if you go into post and sharing right here, you can see the posts that have been shared and haven't been shared. Now, everything's been posted so far. You can see when it was shared and how many sites it shared it to and stuff like that. And you can repost too. You can just go in and share a post. And the thing about this is people will come to your social media is kind of on a scrolling basis. So if somebody misses your post day one, they might see it 3 days later if you repost it. So let's go back into this one here with the social media influencer. I can reshare this post. And there are a number of benefits to buying the premium version. For example, on the premium version, you can pick your date and time, stuff like that. Here, I just tell it to post when I want to. The premium version also has best time to post, which means we'll automatically find out. But you can see it's going to post to everything from Reddit to various little blogging, microblogging platforms. That's what these things are here. It's going to post to my LinkedIn account. It's going to post on Twitter. And I get most of my traffic from ClickBank and Twitter. The more I grow my ClickBank thing, the better. You can see there's a couple of different groups here that I post to, list building secrets and also the ClickBank training videos. And all I got to do is click this button right here that says share, and it's going to go out and it's going to post everything that I have to those everything on that post to those individual sites. Now what's even cooler, it has an instant share. So what you're going to do with your blog posting program that's going to syndicate your content from your YouTube channel is it comes in at random times. You'll set up what's called a cron job, and it will post one video, depending on when you put it in within a day or two, depending on how many different playlists you have and what's going on. And this will actually, you see it's actually gone through and done all these posts. So now I can go over here to blog to social, and it will show up as a shared post. And the cool thing is they have an instant share available as well. And that's one of the things I wanted to show you. You can set that up to share to a couple things the instant it comes in from YouTube. In other words, your program is going to grab the YouTube content poster that we're offering people is going to grab the content from YouTube and it's going to post it in whatever category. And I have it set up only to instant share it to a couple of sites. So it's going to immediately send it to, in this case, it's Twitter and a Facebook page, I believe is what I use. I have nothing in there right now, but it does work very, very effectively here. I'm going to go over to shared posting for instant sharing. And you can see it's instant shared a lot of content. Everything new comes in. It comes to Twitter and one Facebook thing. Now, you can reshare these things multiple times, and that's going to actually result in better engagement for your videos, more views to your video, more trips to your website. This is really a brand new blog, and we're starting to see pretty good results as far as traffic is concerned. Okay, so here we're in our hosting program, AW Stats, which is the stats program, and I started this process in July. This stuff was content related to a different product, and you can see it died down, and then I started posting these videos in July, and you can see how much my traffic improved, and this is only the 14th, and we will exceed that this month. And you can see how much traffic we're pulling in per day better than what I was doing a month ago. And you can see now that more and more of it is coming in from robot search engine stuff like that. So it's a very effective way to increase search engine optimization and at the same time be able to increase your overall exposure. You can see posts going into individual blocks. This is all from pages coming in, and there's a ton of referrals. If we go down to the refers, you're going to see that a lot of it's going to be Twitter and Facebook. So there's a ton of traffic coming from other sites. All this Bitly stuff are links that are from my social media posts, because I have it set up as my default system, and the .tco is Twitter. Now, if we go back and change this to August, since it's only the middle of July, you'll see that we brought in 196 clicks from Twitter, and I only have about 2,000 Twitter followers, so it really represents about 10% of my following. And you see all these Bitly things are one at a time, because these are just a bunch of little posts on Facebook and the other social media sites, because the blog to the program that we're using, which is called Blog to Social, we've tied in Bitly as our link shortener. In Twitter, it automatically goes to .co or .t.co. So there's a ton of those, and I'm actually pulling in more from Twitter than any other source. Now, bear in mind, if you add up all these individual posts or traffic that I get from the Bitlys, it's going to probably surpass what we're getting from Twitter. But it is traffic that's real. It's seeing our content. They're becoming followers in Facebook. They're clicking on links. This is what we call taking one piece of content work or marketing work and then amplifying it out. And the programs we use to do that, one of them is absolutely free, called Blog to Share or Blog to Social. And the other one is a new program that we're going to be offering at a very nominal price called WP Content Poster. There is no other program out there that will post based on your channel. Now, this won't post from other people's channels. This is you're uploading your content into your channels, into your playlists, and it posts your stuff. Won't work on, you can't like post someone else's content unless they give you their API code and stuff like that. So keep an eye out for that. Learn how to take one piece of marketing effort and amplify it across multiple platforms so that you can truly get better results with all of your marketing efforts.